Dear supporters and kind souls, first of all, we want to express our deepest gratitude to everyone who has contributed so far. We have successfully raised IDR 9 million, approximately USD 560 toward our goal. While our campaign has slowed down recently, our determination to secure the 1,770 square meters land in Desa Gambyok, Kediri, remains unshakable. Why your support is urgent right now. Rising costs. In Kediri, the price of basic needs like rice and oil is climbing, making it harder to sustain the daily needs of our 160 orphans and elderly residents. The future home. This land isn't just a plot of dirt, it's the foundation for our eco-green Pesantren, where residents will live in a sustainable, food-secure and peaceful environment. Stage 1 target. We are focusing on completing the first phase of this development to ensure we can start the legal and physical preparation of the land. Sponsoring 1 square meter. For only $47, Seta Santos Nunanchan Sugantukaha, you can secure 1 full square meter of Waqf land in your name or the name of a loved one. Sharing the mission. Sometimes, one share is what leads us to our next major donor. Please share this link with your community. Every dollar is a building block for a permanent home for those who have no one else to turn to. Let's turn this quiet patch into a breakthrough together. With gratitude and prayers, Muhammad Saifullah, Fundraising Manager, Yayasan HidayatulUmmah.
فاليوم لا تظلم نفس شيئا ولا تجزون إلا ما كنتم تعملون